Have you ever bought something because you thought it would disappear soon? That's called FOMO marketing, one of the most powerful psychological marketing strategies. FOMO stands for fear of missing out. It creates urgency, making customers act immediately instead of postponing their purchase. That's called FOMO marketing, one of the most powerful psychological marketing strategies. Our brain dislikes losing opportunities more than missing discounts. That's why urgency increases buying decisions. Amazon Prime Day lasts only a short time. Millions rush to shop because they fear missing the deals.
Booking websites use clever tricks, like displaying only 2 rooms left. This creates instant urgency.
Food delivery apps often show offer ends in 5 minutes. Customers quickly place their orders. Scarcity increases value. When something looks rare, people naturally want it more. Apple often creates excitement before every iPhone launch. People queue for hours because they don't want to miss the latest device. Limited edition products sell faster because customers think they may never return. Flash sales are classic FOMO marketing. Huge discounts available only for a few hours. Social proof also creates FOMO. Messages like 500 people bought this today increase trust. Influencers also create FOMO when they recommend trending products. Businesses use FOMO in email marketing too by sending limited time offers. So make sure that you do not miss out. Even online courses use early bird pricing to encourage quick enrollment. So sign up today and join your fellow students. However, ethical businesses should never create fake scarcity. Honesty builds long-term trust. Use FOMO wisely by offering genuine limited stock, real deadlines, and authentic exclusive offers. FOMO works because people fear regret more than spending money. Don't let this happen to you. Shop successfully. Now you know why FOMO marketing is so effective. Which brands subscribe to Educrawl Marketing Psychology Secrets?